Hi, I'm Peter Norris, and today we're going to be talking about vaping and what effect it has on your teeth. A question we get pretty often on our website. One of the most common questions is, does vaping stain your teeth? And we will be covering that. I think you'll find it interesting. To begin with, vaping is not entirely good for your teeth. There's nicotine in most vape juice, why it often gets used in the first place. And nicotine has the ability to shrink the capillaries in surface tissues like your skin and your gums and your tongue. And this effect lasts for several hours after you've vaped or even stopped vaping. And it has the effect on the gums of increasing the chance of getting gum disease. Gum disease is a sort of inflammation of your gums and a change in the microbes that normally live in your mouth to some that are not as beneficial to your gums. And it can lead to problems with irritated gums, bad breath, loose teeth, things like that over an extended period of time. And vaping makes it worse because of the nicotine. Vaping also dries out your mouth. That's an effect that you see greatly exaggerated in methamphetamine users. You know how bad those teeth can get. And vaping will not put you in that category at all. But a degree of that occurs as the mouth is dried out. The bacterial microfauna changes once again, and cavities can develop at an accelerated rate. So just have to bear that in mind. Certain flavors of vape, like cotton candy or pineapple, that actually contain sugar, allow that vapor to carry the sugar deep into the grooves and even in between the teeth, where arguably just eating some candy wouldn't even go that deep. And that can lead to fueling up cavities. Something to be avoided if possible. Other people sometimes have stomach upsets from the propylene glycol in vape juice. That's what makes the copious white vapor. And it can give you stomach aches and acid reflux. Acid reflux is the movement of the powerful gastric acids that belong in your stomach up into the esophagus or mouth. And they can dissolve tooth enamel very quickly, and we see that all the time in the dental office in people who have gastric reflux for other reasons as they get older, and also in bulimics, people who throw up a lot either through a health condition or as a eating disorder, and it's very tough on the enamel. Using vegetable glycol vape juice may avoid some of those stomach upsets, which, if you have them, you should try that. Well, that covers just about everything. Ah, yes, I did forget. Does vaping stain your teeth? Well, unlike cigarette smoke, which stains your teeth quickly and it's easy to see because of all the tars and combustion products in the smoke, the vape is pretty clean and doesn't have a lot of those staining ingredients in it. And so for the most part, vaping does not stain your teeth. But thanks for being concerned about your teeth. And if you are and you're vaping, you might just remember to use the normal oral care that you already know, brushing and occasionally flossing. Also, you should see your dentist from time to time, and he or she can tell you if you're having some of these other effects, such as gum disease or cavities, and whether maybe vaping a little less would help them out, or if there's some home care like fluoride gel that can put things back the way they were. Just remember that almost every dental problem is easier and cheaper to fix when you find it early. So certainly don't forget to go to your dentist. And that's all I have. Thank you.